For woven labor cutting and folding, we should use this mechanical pusher, not electrical pusher. The setting is easier. Normally, we just push inching button to make the pusher to move to the most right side and set the labor length as the actual labor length half plus 3 or 4 mm. This is the labor length setting. After labor length setting, we can adjust the position of this pusher. Push the inching button to make the mechanical pusher holder move to the most left side. If the pusher is not sharp enough or too much sharp, maybe it can stick on the labor. Maybe too sharp or not sharp will make the pushing not stable. We'd better check the pusher tip. Then push inching button to move the holder frame to move the most left side. Adjust the pusher to the most close to the cutter. It will make cutting stable. Close to the cutter, there is one plate press. It is to avoid the fabric shrink. To make the cutting stable, we should be careful, adjust it. This is about 10 mm narrow strip labor. Push it under the cutter, the line under the cutter. Adjust the folding tool position. Adjust the stacking system. Then check the folding. According to the folded length, then maybe we need to adjust a little. We may need to adjust the stacking assisted part. Now we can put a sponge in the stacking channel to make the folded labor stack automatically. Remember that the pusher should be close to the cutter, but we should not make the cutter hurt the pusher or touch each other.